Hey beautiful, so today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look right here. So stay tuned. So we're going to be going in with the Juvia's Place Nomad palette, and I'm going to grab that shade and I'm going to apply it in my crease, blending it all over my lid. So just blending, 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 blending. Now we're going to go in with this shade right here, this beautiful yellow, and we're going to apply that in my crease, same way, going in circular motions, blending it all over my lid because I really want this color to pop. And this color is so beautiful, you guys. It has like some shimmer in there and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So to make this color pop even more, I'm going to go in with patting motions, packing on this color just so that this color pops even more. So I'm just going to pat, 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 and then lightly blend. Now moving on to this shade right here, we're going to apply it underneath our brow bone just so that it's not naked or anything like that. So going in and applying that underneath the brow bone. So going in with this beautiful olive shade right here. This is my favorite shade out of the whole palette. We're going to go in with a small blending brush and we're going to blend that in our crease, going back and forth. Just making sure that we just focus this color just in the crease, not going higher than that yellow shade that we laid down. So I'm just going in, blending, blending, and then I noticed I wasn't getting a lot of payoff. So I went in with my finger. So going in with my finger, I'm just going to apply this all over the lid, and this color popped, you guys. Look how beautiful this color is. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this shade so much. I'm so excited. So now I'm going to go in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that. Again, we're not going to go higher than this color right here. Well, you know, we're not going to go higher than where the yellow is at, okay? So just focus the blending right here. So I'm just checking it out, making sure that I'm staying where I'm supposed to. So now I'm going to go in and apply the color to my other lid because you guys know me, I got to make things even. So I had to show the other eye just as much love. Gotta be fair, right? So going in and packing the shade on again because again, I want this color to really, really pop and show. So I'm just going in, packing it, and then again, making sure the other eye is the same because we want to make sure that they look the same, they get the same leaven, all right? So just going in with packing motions and the color just pops, you guys. This color is so beautiful. I don't know how to describe this color, but it is, oh my God. So now we're going to go in with this yellow shade again, and we're going to add this in our crease, making sure we just focus it right here and not trying to mix it with the olive shade, okay? So just making sure we're just focusing it right there. So just going in very slow, going back and forth, back and forth. Now we're going to go in with this very beautiful shade right here, and we're going to add that in our crease as well, mixing it with the yellow shade. So I'm just making sure that I blend this shade all over. I'm making sure that the olive shade is blended as well. I'm making sure that everything is really well blended and nothing looks like we just slapped it on and we left it. So I want everything just to blend in and fade into the colors. So just be very patient and just blend, blend, blend. If you're not seeing that there's any change, you're not blending enough. Blend, blend, blend. If you have to change your blending brushes, change the blending brushes. But just blend, blend, blend. Honestly, that's just what this look is going to take, is a lot of blending. See, you see I switched my blending brushes, so just make sure you get in there and you blend those shades. So now I'm going to go in with this yellow shade again because I want this color to show through and I want it to pop because it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going in, applying it underneath my brow bone, and I'm just adding it, packing it, blending it, adding it, packing it, blending it, and it really pops. It just, hello, it looks so pretty. Now going in with the shade right here, I'm going to pop it to my inner eye because you guys know I can't leave that naked, and it really made the look pop even more. So I'm just going in, applying it, and then applying it underneath my brow bone. So this is me just checking myself out, checking the blend, like, okay girl, what's up, checking myself out, you know, showing you guys like, this is it. All right. So now we're going to go in with some Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And I'm going to coat this on because I want it to blend with my falsies. So I'm just going to coat, 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 and voila. Showing you guys again. And I added some lip gloss as well. My favorite, Ofra Clear Lip Gloss, because my lips are looking crusty, you know. So here I am just checking myself out. Guys, I'm loving this look. So now I'm going in with a J Lash Curler. No, J Cat Beauty, sorry. And I curled my lashes. And then I'm going to go in with some falsies. I will link these down below. And I just applied my Duo Lash Glue, applied them, used my Revlon tweezers to apply them, make sure that they're on there. And then I go in with my Makeup Shack curler. And then I'm just going to pinch my natural lashes with my falsies. And wham! There they are. Here's an up close. Look at the look. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is like one of my favorite looks that I've created so far. It's absolutely beautiful, and look at it. Gorgeous. So now we're going to move on to our foundation. So now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild face serum, and I'm going to apply a good amount and apply it all over my skin. I've been very, very dry lately, so I went in pretty heavy with this. So adding some more. Ooh, slow motion for you. And then I'm just making sure I get it all over my face, getting it in all my problem areas. Make sure you guys get your forehead as well. Don't neglect the forehead. Show the forehead some love. Then I'm going to go in with my Benefit Porefessional Primer, and I'm going to add that on my nose because you guys know I got to blur that area, and I need to blur my pores. Okay, so make sure you do that as well if you have the same problem. Now going with my Ofra palette, this is the cream contour, and I'm just going to apply the banana shade underneath my eyes because it's been quarantine and my whole schedule is messed up. So I'm just going to apply this underneath and make sure that that area is brightened. So I'm just going to go in, add the banana shade, and then I'm going to contour as well. Oops, I spoke too soon. So I went in with a contour shade, applied it on my forehead like I normally do, and then I blended up towards my hairline. See, just flick, 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 flick. Making sure I get that. Doing my cheekbones like I normally do. I'm just contouring my areas that I normally do. The reason why I'm doing this voiceover is because the kids were super wild today. So I wanted to still paint my face, and I wanted to put up a video for you guys. So I was like, you know what? We're going to do a voiceover. So now going in with my Frankie Rose Foundation in the shade Olive, I'm going to apply that with a LA Girl foundation brush. I didn't like this Frankie Rose foundation at first, but it's because I would set my face with a Morphe setting spray, and it made my face super, super oily. So I gave it another go, and I absolutely fell in love. So when you're trying out things, try them again if you don't like them. I'm a huge, huge believer in that. So now going in with my NYX Born to Glow concealer, I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes just to give me more of that pop underneath my eyes to make my eyes look alive, not like if I'm tired. So I'm just applying it like I normally would, forehead, nose, upper lip, chin, all that good stuff. Then I'm going to go in with my Tarte sponge and just blend everything. If you guys have not tried this Tarte sponge and you guys have been eyeing it for a while, try it out, you guys. It is so freaking amazing, and it's so freaking soft. So I'm letting y'all know it's worth it. Now going in with my translucent powder from Laura Mercier. You guys know I can't say that. And I'm just going to set my under eye, set my nose, and then I'm going to go in with a big powder brush and set my whole face. You guys know I always set my whole face, especially right here in my contour area, because if I don't do this, then the contour skips on that part and it just looks horrible. So going in with my Kokie Powder Contour Palette and go with these two shades right here and apply my contour. Even though I already applied contour underneath my foundation, I always like to go on top as well and add a little bit more just so you guys can see it. So if you ever apply too much contour, I like going in with the powder and just carving out underneath right there just to make things look really sharp and nice and chiseled. And it really just makes, you know, a little difference, but it makes a difference. Now going in with my Morphe small angled brush, I use this one to contour my nose. It works amazing. And now I'm just removing all that powder that I applied because it's been baking for a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Fix and Plus, and this is in lavender. I sprayed the Tarte sponge and then I just patted it all over my face to soak up all that powder that we just laid down. Going with my little fan that I've been obsessed with lately. I freaking love this thing. Then I'm going to go to this nude eyeliner, apply it underneath my waterline, well, on my waterline. Then I'm going with this shade and then apply it to my lash line, kind of touching my waterline, but not all the way, but just mostly focusing this underneath my lash line. Then going in with the olive shade again, and I'm going to focus this mostly towards the outside of my lash line, not so much my inner eye, just a little bit, but not all the way. Then I'm going to go in with my Hank & Henry mascara. I'm going to add a couple coats. This stuff is amazing. It makes my bottom lashes pop super, super good. So I'm just going to add a good amount. See? Boom. It makes a difference. Hello. Who are you? I'm Alexis Jayda. Who are you? I am me. Now I'm going to go with my lip liner from LA Girl. And I wanted to go in with a nude lip because I didn't want to take away from my eye look. So I went in with lip liner, lined my lips, and then I went in with the Becca Champagne lip gloss. I applied that, and at first I really liked it. I was like, ooh, this looks really nice, and it is. It's beautiful, and the lip glosses are amazing. Like, look how pretty that looks. Ooh, hey girl, hey. But I wanted to go in with a nude gloss, so I went back into my Ofra. This is the clear lip gloss, and bam. Y'all let me know which one you guys preferred, the champagne or the clear. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!